In previous video we learned the basics read query like filter, projection, sort, skip, limit and comparison on the find and find one. Filter, we did pass the simple JSON object to filter the condition of, we can pass the multiple condition of column with that particular value. Projection, we can skip, we can remove or hide that column, and we can provide explicitly information which uh, column we need inside projection. Short, we did ascending and descending based on the column. It should be date, number or alphabets. We can do 1 and -1. To ascending we use 1 and -1. For descending we can use skip and limit. We can skip the documents from starting index. If we do skip 2, it will remove the first 2 documents from the all the collection. And limit, we can provide limit how many documents we want to return. Comparison, we did use operator like dollar sign greater than equal to gt greater than ge, gte is greater than n equal to. So there are many comparison operator we did use, but I think we didn't use dot dollar in and dollar not in, that we can use if we have multiple condition. So in this video we are going to learn the mostly I think read query. We are going to use the mixed operator like comparison operator, and we have logical operator and or, and we have exist and element match and regular expression, mostly for like for search we can use inside a string. Mostly we can use. First we have two, so how many minutes? 2 minutes for like explaining. So let's do first insert this sample data. I cannot copy right now from here because it will take this page number also. So I already have data, and I can do insert many, and we have to enter, press enter, and it did insert 4 documents. If we do clear and db dot users dot find, we can see all the documents. Ankit Patel, that will be my name. Ravi Sharma, Priya Singh, and if we do count, we can see how many documents we have. 5 documents. Okay, so let's do first exercise. So we have 20 mixed exercise. Let's do first equal to and not equal to. uh, First exercise is find user whose role is developer. We can do role is string, column or property, we can say. We can use this equal to operator. db dot users dot find, and the column will be role, and we have to pass as an like object for operator. Not equal, it's equal to eq equal to what is the question developer, it should be developer. We can paste developer and let's see. So we are getting two documents with role developer and role developer Anjali Mehta and Ankit Patel. So yes, we solved the first query. Second, find user whose city is not Mumbai. So we need all the user from all the city but not from Mumbai. We can do db.users.find city column dollar not equal to Mumbai. Mumbai. Let's see, is there any user from Mumbai? We have three user that is not from Mumbai. Ravi Sharma from Delhi. I think we have two documents, not three. Yes, three. I think it's hide underneath. So we have three documents with Delhi, Pune, and Bangalore city. So we did correct for second query. We have third section 3 to 6. We have four query on greater than equal to less than equal to. Find user whose age greater than 25. Okay, age property db dot users dot find what is column age. What is the question? Age greater than 25. You can use operator greater than 25. So that will be 28, 35 age and 30 age. Okay, we have three data. We solve this one also. Second, find user whose age greater or equal to, so 30 and 30 above. db.users.find age greater than and equal to 35, greater than or equal to 35, 35 or 30. Yes, 30. So we have only one document, one user, that is uh, not 35, it's 30. So we have two user, two document greater than 35. At 30 we have Ravi and 35 we have Vikram. Find user whose salary less than 50,000. So if you already done this type of exercise, you kind of feel like it's easy one, but you have, if you are beginner, then you have to do all this exercise to get familiar with all this operator. Otherwise you will stuck only basics and you will not learn like advanced query, mixed query, that we are going to do in next video. Advanced query. Right now we are just doing the like simple one. User whose salary less than 50,000. Let's do right again to do more practice. db dot users dot find what is salary, not age. So we have salary greater less than 50,000, dollar less than 50, 1 2 3 4, less than 50,000. We have two person who have less than 50,000 salary, Ravi and Priya. Let's do next. We solved the third one. Fourth, find user whose salary less than or equal to 60,000 and below. db dot users dot find salary property column less than or equal to dollar LTE 60,000. 1 2 3 4. Okay, how many less than 60,000? 1 2 and 3. We have 3 people less than 60,000. Okay, so 50,000 not include in previous query because we didn't do uh, less than or equal to. So we solved the fourth one also. Let's move to dollar in 7 and 8. Dollar in we can use if we have multiple condition, like same field but multiple condition. Inside city we have Mumbai and Delhi. If we have single condition then we can use equal to, but if we have multiple condition, Delhi and Mumbai, we can use dollar in sign. First question is find user living in Mumbai or Delhi. Let's zoom. db.users.find city is either in Mumbai or Delhi. In we can pass the array of multiple condition. First is Mumbai and second is Delhi. So whichever meet the condition, we will get the result. How many? We have 3 user from Mumbai and Delhi. First one is Mumbai, second was is Delhi, and third one is from Mumbai. So 2 from Mumbai and 1 from Delhi. Find user. Second one, find user whose role either intern or designer. So here we have also 2 condition, intern and designer on the role. So column should be not an array for in. It also work with string also. It should be not an array. Array also we can use on the array. We can use dollar in for like matched multiple condition, but it will work on string also. So you don't have to confuse. Role, intern or designer. Let's see. Role db.users.find role dollar in either intern or second one designer. We have 2 user. This one is designer and second one is intern. We solved 7 8 and let's move to and or. We have 4 exercise 9 to 12. Let's do first find user who live in Mumbai and it's developer. So we have different column compared to above. We have similar column but different value. Here we have different column and different like always it will be different. Find you So we have different columns, so we can use and, or we can like discard this and also, and we can just write a simple query also without and. I think for this one, find user who live in Mumbai and are developer. Role is developer. Let's see, it's developer, not developers. Yes, it can be developers if there are so many. Okay, let's do db.users.find what it say. First condition, city is Mumbai. We can direct do without and. City is Mumbai. And second condition, we can use comma for and. Like if we have different column, then we can use this directly using comma. It will be behave like and. Role is developers. So there is only one result, who is from Mumbai, and there is a developer. So we did without using and. Using and, what we can do is db dot users dot find. We can use directly dollar and it takes list of condition. The first condition is what is first condition? City is from Mumbai and role is developer. You can use this and operator for, but for this question I don't think this need. We can use and for like if the uh, property or column will be same, then we can use and. Otherwise this above syntax is enough for this question. It will give also here only one result, as you can see. So there is no difference for this question. You can use this clear and simple one using comma, or if there is a similar field that you can't use here two times city, it will take the last one that you use same field. So if you have same multiple field condition, then you can use and. Okay, okay, let's move to second. Find user whose role. We have two condition with or. Okay, we can use here, or we can't use comma here. Users role and salary, role and salary. Okay, db dot users dot find role, but we have to first use or and take list of condition. First condition is role, second condition is salary. Salary is greater and equal to GTE. GTE is 60,000 and it should be intern. So either intern or salary should be greater than 60. Intern salary should be greater than 60. 1 2 3 4 60,000. We have intern, so this one is manager, but it's have greater than 60,000, 1 lakh salary. We have 60,000 greater than or equal to, so it's also consider this one. We have 20,000 salary, but it's intern, so we match the all the condition. Let's do third one. We have left exist, element match, and this one. Okay, 20 minutes. Okay, I am tired. Find users whose city. Find user whose city. Here also we can use comma because it's a different field. Pune is city and skill include JavaScript. City Pune skill JavaScript. Okay. db.users.find. We can do without comma. First, city is the first condition. Second is skills, right? Skills, it's include JavaScript. If we have only one condition, we can do pass only the string also. JavaScript. If we have multiple JavaScript and HTML multiple condition, then we can use $in. But here the MongoDB directly understand that what we are going to ask for. City is Pune, that is the string. So no need to make query complex. You can do this simpler and cleaner version of this query, and it will share that include skill JavaScript and city is Pune, and we did and with comma. You can do use and like db.users.find $and it will take array of condition, first condition, second condition, but here we did not need and but let's use Pune and skills JavaScript. Okay, it will work similar as and above, as you can see. Okay, let's move to find user whose age. Here we can use OR operator because we have same field with different condition. Same field with different condition. That will be better for understanding. Like find user whose age for $or and in db.user.find. Here we have to use or we can skip we can use $in also because that also behave like or. Age is less than 25 and greater than 30, so in between we don't want less than 25 and greater than 25. Let's see $in worked or not, but $in won't take that greater than or equal to. It will take array, so we have complex condition, so here we can't use greater than. greater than 30, and second condition is less than 25. It should be dollar less than 35, less than 25. It won't work inside dollar in. If we have simple string or number, then it will work. I think for that we have to use expression, something like that, uh, operator. Let's do use or. So or it will take multiple condition. First condition is age greater than 30, then age less than 30. 25, age age less than 25, age less than 25, and age greater than 30. So this one is correct. We get less than 25, that will be 22, greater than 30, that is 35. We solved all the dollar and dollar or. If you know, you can skip the dollar and. If there is strictly need and or like this one, we strictly need or, so we can use or you can use dollar in for or, and you can use the comma. Dollar exist is a simple one, like that particular field is exist on that document or not. uh, we can use this exist. So let's do find user who have an email field or not. We can do users dot find email field is exist or not. Exists, it should be boolean value true, means give me all record who have email field. User db dot user, all field have email, all document have email field, that is uh, this one and this one. Two user have email field, so we solve this one. Second, find user who do not have email field. So let's see which user have not the email field. Users dot find email exist exist exist, it's a false boolean value. We have three user, they don't contain email field: Ravi, Anjali and Vikram. We solved 13 and 14. Let's do how many left. We have 6 left and 30 minutes already. Hey Bhagwan. Let's do element match. Element match will match the all multiple condition on every element. Element match work on the array only, like if we have array something like this inside document, array field, element match work on this array field, and it will check multiple condition on each element. Otherwise, if we do orders dot product is equal to laptop and use comma, then order dot price 10,000, then it will check only this and this. It won't check the multiple condition like product laptop price 10,000. It won't match multiple condition on this single document. It will check only one condition on the single element. It will cause issue. For that we use element match to match multiple condition on every single element. Okay, let's do first one. Find user find user who have at least one score greater or equal to 80. So here we can skip element match because here we have only one condition. At least one score is totally different. Score doesn't have multiple like element. Here we have only one. Inside this document we have multiple element. Here we have only numbers, so we can directly use without like element match. But let's do both way without element match, and let's do at least one score is greater than 80. At least one. db dot users dot find on the score field at least. If we do dollar greater than and equal to also 80, let's see it field name is scores. More than 80 or 81. Here 80, at least one score is matching here. Here also 90, 80, 80 and 95, and here also 85. So 4 documents matching this condition without using element match. If we use, so here answer is 4 documents. Let's see using element match. db dot users dot find what element scores element match elemMatch in Pascal case. Inside here we can do dollar greater and equal to what it will be. It value will be 80. Here how many documents? Here also 4. So it worked same as above. So depend on you, like you can write this or you can write above. This is more cleaner version. You have to understand like where to use element match and where to not. Let's see in the next question. That will be more clear when to use or when to not use. Find user who have at least one score. So here we can use, we have multiple condition. If we have single condition, then we can directly do without element match like above. Here we have multiple conditions 60 and 70. So here we have to explicitly use element match, otherwise it will give something else result. At least one score between 60 and 70, so it should be inclusive. Between, so not inclusive. Between means not 60 and 70. Between means 67 to 69. We can use GT and LT. db dot users dot find, I forgot the question. At least one score. Score is field scores. Then element match LM match greater than, it should be dollar greater than 60. For inclusive we can use E greater than equal to dollar less than 70, and we can see the result right now. 3 user have score between 60 and 70, that will be 65. At least one score is between 60 and 70. Here we have 65, here we have 65. Yes, 70 is not in between 60 and 70. Yes, we solved second one. Find user who have at least find user who have at least one order with product laptop. Here we have to use element match because we have multiple condition and multiple field also. Okay, let's do product laptop and price greater than 80. Product laptop 37 minute db dot users dot find. Inside orders we have to see elemMatch product is laptop, product is laptop. What is the next condition? Price greater than 80. Price greater than 1 2 3 4 80,000. There is no result with orders. There is no user who have order is product and price is greater than 80,000. Let's see db dot users dot find. We have order with laptop. We have one record and two record with laptop and greater than 80. We have something wrong with our query. Okay, so laptop, we have three records. Laptop with more than 80,000. We have three result, but here it's not working. Laptop product Let's see what is the, yes, we miss the dollar sign on the element match. Let's do use dollar sign. Yes, we got the record 3 with order product price greater than 80, second and third. Let's move to next one, regular expression. Okay, we have left 3 exercise. Find, first one, find user whose name start with an. We can use this sign, this this sign. Oh, I don't know what is this sign called. This sign, db dot users dot find. uh, we have to check the name start with, we have to use dollars regular expression. We have to provide the string start. For start with, we have to use first this sign, this on the 6 number. If you do shift and 6 number on the keyboard, you will get this sign. And start with an, it should be not case insensitive, so we can do enter and we will get the user start with a, and there will be 2 user, Anjali and Ankit. Find user whose email contain gmail. Here we can use db dot users dot find doll, we have email, it's contain gmail. So it's not like end with or start with. We can do directly regular expression, and we can do direct if contain gmail then return. So this user only contain gmail, only one user. Third one, last one, yes, 43 minute, db dot user dot find user whose city and with e, city field, city and with regular expression, and with we have to use dollar shift and 4 number on the dollar, we have to use in last, and with e, something like this syntax, and with e, and it should be case insensitive, so we can use option operator, options operator. We can pass this insensitive, we get Pune city and with e, Bangalore also end with e, so there are 2 result. Okay, bye bye, tata. uh, we did so many exercise today, so if you have any question you can ask me in the comment section.